Hello again, everyone. Today we're going to be going over capability for organizations to leverage age estimation through AI. So the use case would be basically with the promotion of the new Digital Services Act in the EU. They're getting really strict on content that's targeted towards minors, anyone 18 years of age and younger. You can go through and see it's pretty comprehensive. Corollary to that, Facebook has started, or Meta has started introducing, from a developer perspective, APIs to auto segment age groups, and that's crossing all of their platforms, right? So even here you see where it has Instagram, the previous is just from their developer policy, so it's age 13 plus, 13 and under. From this perspective, I think it's going to be paramount moving forward for companies and organizations that use imagery data for any reason whatsoever, if they ingest imagery data, to start somehow automating the classification of the age range or the identified age range within those images. And so what we have today is we're going to go over, this container is currently available on our website for download. If you just go to either Instant AI, or you could click up the top, it navigates you to the Instant AI page, and to the far right you'll see our age estimation tool. All you have to do is click pay. It redirects you to the payment site, enter your information, pay for it, and once you do, you will get the download and installation instructions on how to run this container for your own internal processes and services. With that being said, we're going to show you now, go into the tutorial on how to interact with this API for your own services. We're going to go through these couple images right here. So we have a toddler, that's going to be number one, or I'm sorry, it's a baby, number one. Number two is a toddler. Number three is like a preteen. Four is probably 20s, 30 and up, right? So those are the images that we're going to be using. So I already have uploaded number one, so let's go ahead and check it out and see. So this comes back with a 0 to 2 age range, which is pretty accurate. So that's our toddler. Now we're going to do, or I'm sorry, that's the baby. Now we're going to do the toddler. Yep, 3 to 9, sounds about right. Now we're going to do the preteen. My term for it, I guess, preteen. There we go. Age estimation is 10 to 19. So here's where your segment would fall, right? If you do fall in the sphere of any of the new regulations that are coming down, and not just from the EU and the GDPR DSA perspective, a lot of countries are rolling out these new AI constraints and these platform constraints with regards to the targeting and marketing to children. You would set this, and this could be your threshold. If it came within this age range or lower, segment it out, otherwise push it forward. The next one we're going to run is the 20s, 20 something. There we go, age 20 to 29, and then the final one, that's correct. So there we have it, 30 to 39. And so the final two were, that one was the 20 to 29 range, and she was the 30 to 39 range. So once again, like I said, the use case for this is based upon these sweeping regulations that are coming out in the new digital space for platforms and organizations, companies, or institutions that basically handle, manage, process, and store imagery data or human imagery data. Once again, if you fall in the jurisdictions, and you probably will moving forward in the very near future, of a government organization that has these regulations in place, it is paramount to you to start to integrate into your systems these age estimation tools, so you can kind of get out in front of this and show that you are taking diligent actions to cover the compliance of those regulations. That's all we have for today. This is Automated Age Estimation by FalconsAI 125.